I mean, what more can be said? Hello, everyone. It's Donna, and I'm anticipating, and she's keeping me waiting. So, with the purchase, you got this pattern from Designs by Jude, and I think it's going to be super cute. I'm not going to show the pattern. It's not mine. It keeps going on. Hold on. And then I brought the other little pattern that I saw that was there. And then, just because I want to try to be a little fashion designer myself, I actually went to Pixie or Liberty Jane and I purchased the sloper set for Ellowyne. I also purchased the downloadable, printable yourself guide that they have for drafting your own patterns. And then on their web or their YouTube channel, they're having the classes now on the YouTube channel that go along with drafting your own. So I'm going to give it a try, and there'll probably be some videos of projects with that. Y'all, I have never, ever seen one of these dolls in person in my life. I've seen them on the videos. I've seen them, the one that Rachel did. I've seen photographs of them. I have never laid my eyes on one of these dolls, or my fingers have never touched one. Yeah. So, yeah, there's the anticipation. I mean, I'm like a kid in a candy store, right? It's Christmas, right? And today, I get the email. She's coming. I haven't done the Imelda thing yet because I want to see the size of her foot. I want to, but if this doll is everything that everybody says she is, she'll have a lot of shoes. She will have a lot of shoes. Anyway, I'm waiting. I have no idea when she's going to get here yet. I looked at my tracking. It's the label's made. I'm sure it's probably been picked up by now, but I am not going to be one of those that checks every 5 minutes to say, where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? She'll be here. So, in anticipation of Ellen getting here, I did go ahead and trace out the pants pattern and the pocket and everything. So, I'm going to try to get a pair of pants made for her before she gets here. But who actually knows if I'll get it done or not? Because today the sun is shining for the first time in over a week. We've had over 3 inches of rain. I've been inside. It's been overcast. It's been cold. This morning it was freezing here. I mean, we had snow the other morning a little bit. And I want to be outside. So today I'm going outside. Tomorrow I'll work on it. Well, sometimes life happens and it happens to get in the way of your plans. So evidently she's actually supposed to arrive today, and I'd hoped to have these pants finished for her, but I don't know if it's going to happen or not. Sometimes things just get in the way, but we'll see. Got a few hours. She's estimated to be here anywhere from an hour to 4 hours from now, so anticipation. Okay, so right now I've actually constructed the pant. I haven't hemmed them yet because I want to see how long their legs are. I don't know. And I haven't put the waistband on yet because I want to make sure. So it might be hard to get this waistband on since this part's done. So these may just be a little trial to see how they fit her when she gets here. And this material is a men's shirt suiting, or shirting, I guess, that I purchased years and years ago to make myself shirts for my suits. But this one I never did. There's a couple of them that I never did that you may possibly see me sewing for the dolls with. But anyway, this is how far I've gotten thus far, and she's still hours away from being delivered, but I'm hopeful. Oh, coffee cup from Brisbane, Australia. Or I should say teacup. It's got some peach tea in it this morning. But so when my husband brought me back from one of his deployments when he had to go down there for a couple of days or something. But anyway, we will talk to you later on the next installment of Anticipation. Well, I guess the anticipation is over. She just arrived a few minutes ago. And let's open her. This is my first Ellowyne doll. I have never, ever seen one in person. So, other than what I've seen online of this doll, I actually have no expectations on the doll, the size. A puppy just came in, a really big puppy, so if you see ears. Let me put that box down. Oh my. Here's her card. Here is her shoe. Oops, her hands. Oh my goodness. I didn't even see those. Look at her hands. Oop. I'm having a hard time with this one. She is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I think she's wigged, and I don't want her wig to flop off yet. Look at that face. Rachel was right when she was talking about the attitude. Oh my goodness. Now, the question is, oh wait, her little tag. Now, the question is do the little pants that I made fit? Look at the snaps. Oh my goodness. I think the color will work, but let's try them on. Like I said, they're not finished yet, but just trying. So this is the pattern that Designed by Jude gave out. So I can finish them now that I know that they fit and fit really well. And I think that blue works, don't you? Oh my. Oh my, she's so beautiful. Oh. Let me see if I can turn her. Nope, I can't. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to put her shorts back on her. Hold on. We're going to get her little shoes out. Look at them. See her little fingernails? They're painted. Kind of like a medium coral color, I guess. Little shoes and big fingers. I'm just getting them all like that for now. Oh my goodness. Whoops, that one fell off. I'm not worried about it then. Her arms. Her hands. Wow. Let me get her on her stand. I need her shoe back on for that. Oops. Almost knocked her over. That would have been a nice introductory to the dollhouse. Still going. There. Look at those eyes. And the hair. Wow. Come back later and see if she can wear any other fashions.